TradeSync version 1.1 is now available, and it comes with major improvements in security, performance, and stability designed to deliver a professional-grade trade copier. We will first walk through how to install version 1.1 correctly. Please follow the steps carefully. You may see a SmartScreen warning during installation. There's no need to panic. TradeSync is a new software and has not yet built a strong reputation with Windows, so this warning may appear. Simply click More Info, then select Run Anyway to continue, just as shown previously. If you have used a previous version of TradeSync, version 1.1 will automatically use your existing session, so you won't need to log in again. However, if this is your first time using TradeSync, you will need to log in. Please use the link in the video description to watch the full login and setup tutorial. We are now adding the Expert Advisor to the broker. This is an important step, as it connects your broker account to the TradeSync application. You must replace the older Expert Advisor with the new version, even if you already have the previous one installed. This step is required for TradeSync version 1.1 to function correctly. Add the required URLs to the WebRequest allowed list. Make sure DLL imports are enabled too. Once you follow these steps correctly, you will see your account connected in the TradeSync app. TradeSync now works perfectly with brokers that use suffixes in their symbols, like Xmas, which may have an M at the end, or others with .c, .s, and similar. It also supports brokers that use prefixes, such as symbols that start with an X or other letters. A new feature in TradeSync version 1.1 allows you to choose whether the broker should execute market orders only or pending orders only. This is especially useful for channels where the admin might send a signal like "buy gold now," but later follow up with the actual trade as a pending order. In such cases, the system might otherwise take the initial market order by mistake. By selecting pending orders only, TradeSync will ignore the first market order and only execute the intended pending trade. You can also do so for a market order only. TradeSync version 1.1 also introduces a new feedback system, allowing you to send feedback directly to the developers if you encounter any issues. You can report general issues, technical issues, or even share a sample signal. If your signal is not being processed by the system and you want the admin to review it, simply select the Signal Example Feedback category and submit it. In Settings, under the Filters tab, a new feature has been added to exclude specific pairs. This feature now also supports lowercase symbols. For example, if we exclude BTC/USD, it will not be traded. Later, if you want to trade it again, simply remove it from the excluded list. BTC/USD is just an example. This can be applied to any trading pair. Version 1.1 is packed with other powerful features. This update improves the entire app. All previous feedback has been considered and many issues have been fixed. More signal patterns have been added, covering a wider range than before. Deriv pairs are now supported, including Volatility Index, boom, crash, and more. Keywords like VIX are recognized. Lowercase symbol mapping now works. A previous bug was fixed. Performance has been improved across the app. Stop loss and take profit in pips are now detected. For example, stop loss 40 pips, take profit 60 pips. More trade management commands are recognized. Commands like move stop loss to break even are supported. Comments have been removed. This is useful for prop firm users. Error handling and display have been improved in both the app and the Expert Advisor. A new software update system allows faster updates and adding new signal patterns. Close custom words can now be defined in a new tab for cases when the system does not recognize a close signal. This will be demonstrated in our coming tutorial for custom keywords and its usage. Trailing stop mode has been improved. Security and overall performance have also been enhanced. Version 1.1 brings a new level of reliability and functionality to TradeSync.